guys, check out the 5-in-1 fan, guys, hand fan. Really great for traveling, or if you want to take it to the park, take it to go. So the fan itself looks just like this, guys. As you can see, my son is using it right now. We do have it on level 1. Show them level 1. Show them this. As you can see, it's on level 1. And if you press this, it's gonna go higher. So it goes up to level 5. This is being the highest. It's very powerful, guys. Super strong. And then if you press again, it turned off. So it's very cool. Also coming with the charging cable. Let me go ahead and show that to you guys. So it comes in with this strap. So you can just strap it over here to easy for hanging access, and then of course the charging cable as well, and an instruction menu. So yeah, it's very nice, very simple, and super powerful, strong fan. That's packed in. I'm just surprised by its size. I didn't think it was gonna be that powerful, guys. Very nice, very strong, very well made. I would highly recommend it to anybody. So we got it for the summer. As you can see, my son absolutely loves it. He's just using it, and he get hot very easily. So when I take him to the park or take him somewhere, and he gets super hot. So this is great. We're gonna be using the whole summer. So all right, guys, go ahead, have fun, and let me know what you guys think.